welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a legging haul. I'm so excited about this. So G4 actually reached out to me, and they are a company on Amazon that has amazing activewear. I was really excited because when they reached out, I clicked on one of their listings and realized I already had it wish listed, which is always great and exciting. So I'm really hyped to show these to you. I've had them for a couple weeks now, so I've really been putting them to the test. And I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. Apologize for the lighting. No matter where I am in my house, lighting is just not my friend. So this is where we are today. It's real life. My life is a mess. My dog is crying. We're real here. So I'm real sorry. With that being said, G4 did send all of these to me, and I'm really excited to share with y'all because it is their 10th anniversary. So they did give me a code that can give you up to 40% off from the 27th of September through the 3rd of October. So if you're interested in any of these pieces, everything will be linked down below, and be sure to use that code to save yourself a little bit of money. So let's go through all of these leggings, and we'll start with the ones that I have on now. These are definitely my favorite. I've been wearing them so much. They are just constantly covered in dog hair because I wear them every single chance that I can, and Kona loves to sit on my lap. So even though I lint roll them, by the time I'm done, she's already been on top of me. So we love these. They're so soft and so comfortable. The waistband is really stretchy. They don't feel constraining or too tight or anything. There are pockets that are really nice and deep. And my favorite thing about these is they have a big pocket, and then inside is like a little mesh pocket. So you can put your key, or I like to put like Kona's treats when I go on a walk in there, so they're not gonna fall out of my pocket and she can't just like stick her nose in there and get them, and the crumbs aren't gonna get in my phone, my AirPods, anything like that that's in my pocket. The length on these is amazing. Realizing I should tilt the camera down so you can see. You gotta promise me we're not judging how dirty my room is, okay? Because we're friends, right? Thank you. Anyways, length on these is amazing. They are like the perfect length to where I can wear them with like slides or slippers on a walk, or I can wear them with tennis shoes and they're not gonna like get gross and drag underneath. They're seriously like so incredibly soft. I love them. The material of all of these leggings is great. It's been really hot out here, but you know, I've talked about before, I'm not really a big shorts girl, so I like to have leggings, and I wanted some flare leg ones that were a little bit more breathable, and these are definitely them. Love these, love how they look. I feel like they're very flattering. They're very comfortable, and I just love the weight. Plus the prices of these leggings, y'all, are seriously so good. Okay, next up we have these and these. I've been calling my like hot yoga mom pants. I love them. So first, they are a V cross waistline, so it's very slimming. I usually don't wear crop tops with leggings. I'm doing that for this video so you can really see them, but for the most part, I'm like a baggy t-shirt and leggings kind of gal. But these are so comfortable too. These are definitely more of like a wide leg than the other ones, where I would say those are more like straight leg. These are so breathable and fun. I feel like they're very like hippie pants, and I just feel very flowy in them. I don't know how to describe it. Yet again, it's super deep pockets. This one does not have that internal pocket, but the material is a little bit different. It's a little bit more like buttery soft, still very stretchy and comfortable, and just like so cozy. They're so cozy. I love how these feel on my skin, and I love how they fit. Like, I feel like they just fit and hug in all the right places, but don't make me feel constricted. Length on these is a little bit on the shorter side, but that's intentional. And I think if you worked in an office that was on the more casual side, you could probably get away with wearing these with a cardigan, which is like the dream. So big fan of these. Okay, now these are definitely more work pants. These are a dark gray where the other ones were a true black. They have a seam here that makes them look like button-up pants, but they are just leggings, and they are again so soft. They have real pockets here in the front that are super deep, And then they have some faux pockets in the back. So they do look more of like a trouser. So you can totally wear these to work, which is great. Length is perfect. You could probably wear like a short heel with them if you wanted to. I'm about like 5'4", 5'5", but I do have really long legs. So these fit me really, really nicely. I love how soft they are. Like, they're just so soft. All of these leggings, the material is to die for, and these are absolutely no exception. I love the gray too. I think it's a very good basic, but it's not the kind of gray that's gonna like show sweat, but it's not too dark either. It's just the perfect gray to me, just the perfect gray. So really, really like these. Again, I would say these are more of a straight cut, kind of like the first ones, and definitely look like a nice structured professional trouser. Next up, I have these super fun pink ones. I wore these to yoga the other day and I got so many compliments. The color is just so vibrant and fun. It's like a neon peachy pink. Y'all, they're just so soft. They're so cozy, so stretchy. I love them. These do have a drawstring, so you can tighten them as you want, but they are still very stretchy as a material, so they're very comfortable. I love how these feel. They're so like seriously, all the material, you're gonna hear me say it a million times, it's so soft. You can kind of tell because of the stitching of how deep these pockets are, which is great. You can get a lot of stuff in here, which I love, and the length is perfect for me. They're very flattering, they're very comfortable, and I love all the colors that they come in. Y'all know I usually tend to go towards black or navy or dark green, but I saw this fun pink and I'm really glad I got them because they're really, really fun. So lots of good colors. If you are a colorful gal, they got you covered. And last but certainly not least, we have these gorgeous wine colored ones. I love these, y'all. Yet again, the perfect maroon. I feel like this color was really popular in like 2015, 2016, and it kind of died, and I'm a little bit sad about it because I really love it. I feel like it's a very universally flattering color, and so for the fall, I am determined to bring it back. So these, I love. These are very similar to the first pair. They are a straight cut, deep pockets. These ones don't have that internal mesh pocket, but like all the other ones, they do have deep, very stretchy pockets, very soft, buttery material, and this one does have the V slim waistline, and I just really like them. I feel like the length, again, is fantastic. The colors were beautiful. This one really stole the show for me, but I just really, really like them. I feel like these are great. I'm a really big fan of these. They have to be some of my new favorite Amazon leggings, and I definitely think you guys should try them out. If you are interested in trying any of these leggings, definitely go ahead and use the code they gave me to celebrate their 10th anniversary sale from September 27th through October 3rd. Seriously, y'all, already such great prices, but when you can get up to 40% off, so good, so good. All of these specific leggings will be listed down below with the size that I got and the color that I picked them in. And if you have tried any of the G4 leggings, let me know what your experience has been down below. And if you are like me and absolutely love them, I really appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me. And I hope to see you in my next video. In the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!